Good day. My name is Wasama Makolo, and today I'll be talking about our research and planning documents to create our own budgeting app. So, first, I would like to introduce our group members: is Tino Tenda Marumaoko, Cameron Reese Joannes, Liam France, and me, Wasama Makolo. So, first of all, I'll start with our research document. We did a few research. We analyzed three popular Android budgeting apps: Mint, YNAB, and Wallet. Mint, we found out that Mint is great for automation. It syncs your bank and categorizes expenses for you, but there's ads and privacy concern. YNAB uses zero-based budgeting where every rand gets a job. It's powerful for planning, but there's a learning curve and a subscription fee. So it's usually for people that do like big finance things and I can understand maths very quickly. Wallet stands out with detailed reports, multi-currency, and shared accounts, but some features are locked behind paywalls. You know, companies got to make their money. From all three, we pulled the best ideas. We found out auto tracking is good, category budgets are good, visual reports, goal tracking, and shared budgetings are the best options out of all these apps. And this is what took us to our planning and design. So, now to make our app, what did we decide on? We decided that the things that we found out shaped our app, and we call our app Flowfund. Our goal is simple: how people take control of their money with real-time insights and zero stress. The app has three core screens. The dashboard gives you a financial pulse, total balance, income versus expenses, and charts showing where your money goes. The transaction ledger lets you add, edit, or search every expense, even attach receipt photos, and budgets lets you set limits per category like food or transport with progress bars and alerts before you overspend, so you'll know how your money is doing throughout the month. We also added goals, notifications, a dark theme mode, and gamifications where you can get badges, making sure that you stay on budget. Basically, we took Mint's automation, YNAB structure, and Wallet's reporting, then added our own features to make it more user friendly. So that's part one. We studied what works, found the gaps, and designed Flowfund to combine the best of all worlds. Thanks for watching the research and planning part of the document. And now we'll move on to the implementation. Now I'll cover how we actually built it. There are three main modules for how we created the app. We got authentication, handles registration, login, and password encryption. And then we got transaction. CRUD operates for income and expenses. Each entry stores amount, category, date, and optional receipt photo using. Analytics generates charts and for the dashboard and budget process bars. We also added alerts using to notify users before they exceed limits. So now for the implementation part of our code of our app. This is how we've made the app code. We built it in Android Studio using Kotlin. So we can start with the dashboard fragment. The dashboard fragment is the main screen. It shows total income, expenses, and balance with pie charts and bar charts, plus personalized spending advice. The goals feature lets users set targets, track progress with progress bars, and shows a goal achieved badge when complete. Settings lets users toggle dark mode and change currency saved with shared preferences. Main activity controls navigation between dashboard, transaction, and goals, plus a logout as well. Android manifests its permissions for camera, images, and notifications so users can attach receipt photos. Overall, Flowfund securely stores financial data and gives insight through charts, progress tracking, and personalized advice to help users spend responsibly and hit their goals. And now we move on to how the Android app actually runs on an Android device. Flowfund, do your thing.
I don't know if you guys can see, but we have the sign in to Flowfund page. As we can see on the dashboard, it shows the income expenses. You can pick the month of where you spent money and all. As we have here is the transactions page. There's a little plus on the bottom right. We can select the amount that we have spent. Let's go with 100 Rand for now. Description, I'm gonna say shopping. Date, we can pick the date as well. Today is the 12th of June. I'm gonna say on the 10th. Start time. Photos are optional, and yeah, let's save the date. It's an expense. We're gonna check on our dashboard. As we can see, we can pick the month and day of when we made this expense. How it goes, and we can also change it to an amount of income. So let's say 100 rand again of today. Yeah. Here we go. Income and expenses change. You can also see you can still pick the month. We can go to goals. We haven't set any goals yet. We can set goal. Set a deadline if optional, of course. Let's say by the 18th. Boom. It saves your progress as well. It keeps track of your bank balance, like when you record your income and expenses. Going back to the dashboard section, there is a pie chart right here with the categories mentioned in the expenses slash income transactions, where we're gonna have to quote unquote create our own categories. As it says here, when I click budget, like the plus on the budgets, I'm gonna have to create my own categories. Let's say purple, it seems. Yes, it can be purple. If we go here to the transactions, we can edit. Let's say salary, I mean shopping, we can edit that. The category can be essentials. I can save that, and boom, once again it is saved on the category pie chart. And we can go back, add another one, color, which is orange. We can go here, amount, let's say, yeah, we can save that, and voila, it can change on the graph. As you can see by the colors. Now I do want to go into the settings tab, and I want to show you the unique features right here. So of course, obviously, we can change the theme: light mode, dark mode, light mode. We can change the currency depending on which country, of course, you're inhabited in. Sport joke. And then we have badges. Now the way badges work is, as you can see here, you get badges for being on track with your budget. As you can see, this is how the light mode looks. This is how it looks over here. 500, as we can see here, the budgets. And yeah, that's about it.